may be among the 45% of adults who snore at least occasionally, or you likely know someone who does. They may be the butt of jokes, but snoring is a serious business. For one, a snoring person often keeps their partner from a good night's sleep, which can be stressful. Snoring can create real problems in a marriage. Not only is snoring a nuisance, but 75% of people who snore have obstructive sleep, which raises the risk of developing heart disease. Use caution before you self-treat with the over-the-counter spray and pills until you have checked with your doctor. Instead, try these natural solutions and lifestyle changes, which may help you stop snoring. Change your sleep position. Lying on your back makes the base of your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing a vibrating sound during sleep. Sleeping on your side may help prevent this. A body pillow provides an easy fix. It enables you to maintain sleep on your side and can make a dramatic difference. If snoring continues regardless of the sleep position, obstructive sleep may be a cause. See a doctor in this case. 2. Lose weight. Weight loss helps some people, but not everyone. Thin people snore too. If you've gained weight and started snoring and did not snore before you gain weight, weight loss may help. If you gain weight around your neck, it squeezes the internal diameter of the throat, making it more likely to collapse during sleep, triggering snoring. 3. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol and sedative reduce the resting tone of the muscle in the back of your throat, making it more likely you will snore. Drinking alcohol 4 to 5 hours before sleeping makes snoring worse. People who don't normally snore will snore after drinking alcohol. 4. Practice good sleep hygiene. Bad sleep habit, also known as poor sleep hygiene, can have an effect similar to that of drinking alcohol. Working long hours without enough sleep, for example, means when you finally hit the sack you're overtired, you sleep hard and deep and the muscles become floppier, which creates snoring. 5. Open nasal passages. If snoring starts in your nose, keeping nasal passages open may help. It allows air to move through slower. Imagine a narrow garden hose with water running through. The narrower the hose, the faster the water rushes through. Your nasal passages work similarly. If your nose is closed or narrow due to a cold or other blockage, the fast-moving air is more likely to produce snoring. A hot shower before you go to bed can help open nasal passages. Keep a bottle of salt water rinse in the shower. Rinse your nose out with it while you are showering to help open your passages. Nasal stripes may also work to lift nasal passages and open them up, if the problem exists in your nose and not within the soft palate. 6. Change your pillows. Allergens in your bedroom and in your pillow may contribute to snoring. When did you last dust the overhead ceiling fan? Replace your pillow. Dust mites accumulate in pillows and can cause allergic reactions that can lead to snoring. If you feel fine during the day but obstructed at night, these things may be contributing to your snoring. Put your pillow in the air flux cycle once every couple weeks and replace them every 6 months to keep dust mites and allergens to a minimum and keep pests out of the bedroom. Beware, before spending money on special pillows designed to help prevent snoring. They may work if it probes up your head, which fixes nasal issues but can cause neck pain. 7. Stay well hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids. Secretion in your nose and soft palate becomes stickier when you are dehydrated. This can create more snoring. According to the Institute of Medicine, healthy women should have about 11 cups of total water from all drinks and food a day. Men need about 16 cups. In conclusion, get enough sleep. Sleep on your side, avoid alcohol before bedtime, and take a hot shower if nasal passages are closed. These simple practices can make a huge difference in reducing snoring. If you enjoyed watching this video, I want you to please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell to get updates anytime we upload new videos, and like this video. Thank you for watching.